Bouncy Bunny hopped across the grassy hill, jumped over flowers soft and standing still. Down came the breeze and tickled Bunny's nose. He giggled and he bounced where the clover grows. Bouncy Bunny bounced into a butterfly, flapped his ears and waved the bug goodbye. Up went the bee and buzzed around a tree. Bunny gave a smile and laughed with glee. Bouncy Bunny found a puddle on the way, splashed in the water, what a happy day. Sun peeked out and dried the drops of rain, so we hopped and danced down the lane again. Bouncy Bunny saw a squirrel with a nut, wiggled his nose and gave a little strut. They played a game of hide and seek with cheer, then Bunny bounced along with floppy ears. Bouncy Bunny yawned as the sky turned red. Stars came out, it was time for bed. He curled in the grass beneath the moon so bright. Good night, he whispered, sleep tight, sweet night.